Hey, welcome in. You're listening to the daily version of the Korelin Economics Report. Time out, Korelin. Start of a new week. It is Monday. What's the date today? April the 11th. Getting real close to tax day, you guys. Don't forget, for those of you who live in the United States, do not forget to do that. Okay, this program is being produced exclusively for my friends at Kitco. Chatting right now with Roger Wiegand, Trader Raj. We're going to chat a little bit about what went on in the precious metals markets today. Gold was down just a bit. It was down about $7.80. 1467 to 1468 was the spread on that. Taking a look at silver, silver was down a little bit. It was down 16 cents, but it's still 77 cents above $40 an ounce, $40.77. The rest of the market, the dollar's coming back a little bit. It's 74.99 right now on the index. Everything else, however, with the exception of the Dow, is in red figures, and I find that to be interesting. I personally, my opinion is, people are just taking a little bit of a breather right now. They are optimistic because of the the situation that happened with the federal budget. They're optimistic there, and they're thinking, God, it just who knows? We just kind of need to catch our breath. That's what I think is going on today. Mr. Wiegand, what do you think, buddy?
Well, one thing that hasn't been mentioned, I think people need to keep an eye on this. It's not necessarily what we do, but it does affect what we do, and that is the fact that tomorrow begins the company quarterly reporting.
Mm-hmm.
In other words, corporations from now forward, for the rest of this month, are going to be coming out almost daily with their reports about their profits and or losses or whatever,
Mm-hmm.
and also statements about the economy and where they think they're going.
Mm-hmm.
When that happens, initially at the beginning, I think that sometimes trading goes a little soft. Now, along with that, we have what I said was a pivotal date as far as cycles and time, and that's just normal trading stuff. That's not just gold and silver, but it's everything in the markets. And today is Monday, and it's begun.
Mm-hmm.
We're looking at probably a few days of sideways channel type trading, what I call the ABC consolidation in gold and in silver right now.
Mm-hmm.
And I talked to one trader this morning who thinks he's going to bail out and get out of silver. Well, we just took half the profits on one of our big silver spreads on Friday, and I'm holding the other half right now. And in my view, silver is going to 45 and then potentially to 48.51, as we have been discussing.
Mm-hmm.
There is time for another complete precious metals cycle, which takes 6 weeks bottom to bottom for both gold and silver when this consolidation is over. Therefore, I think that the metals rallies are going to continue all the way through into the middle of May. And with the big corporations and the stock people in New York all trying to shovel stock out the door, IPOs and whatever they're doing, mergers and acquisitions, they've got a lot of stock to sell between now and the end of June. And yes, a lot of these signals are weak. I mean, I'm a technician. I know this stuff, and I've had the same concerns many others have had. However, in my view, I think we're going to consolidate this week, and then off we go again in new rallies. And I think that silver probably, when it gets to 50, as we've said, we'll see an old high from the 80 or 81 period and then come back in a fairly significant correction, and after that go much higher again. So
Okay.
we're holding.
Okay, there you have it. You guys have a great rest of Monday and have a great rest of the week. We're going to be back with you tomorrow.